and I'm going to demonstrate it to you today. Control of reciprocating linear push rod. This is 8 volt for 170 RPM DC reciprocating putter. This is a switch. Power supply 75 watts 24 volts. This is a wide voltage input. 100 to 120 to 100 to 240 AC. Can switch between 110 volts and 120 volts. There's a little switch inside. You can switch it by dialing it yourself. This is the line of fire. That's the zero line. And the grounding wire. There are also positive and negative electrodes for output. Today, we strongly recommend our stepless governor. Input voltage 40 volts to 60 volts. It is a motor that can be used more widely. Next we have now. We're wired up now. You can now see that our cable is connected. Fire wire L0 line N. And the connection should also be connected to the ground wire. Yellow is the ground. Positive output, negative output. Then we connect the power supply on the governor, positive and negative electrodes, to correspond to the positive and negative electrodes on the power supply. And don't get me wrong. Here is the output motor. Connect to the motor. We click on the straight line. Reciprocating push rod. The motor can be connected upside down. If it is connected upside down, it will rotate in the opposite direction. Does not affect. Let's turn the power on now. We pay attention to adjusting the transmission. Start from 0. That's still a relatively slow speed. Then we slowly and gradually increase. With rotation, the speed of the putter is also getting faster and faster. The transmission governor is about 8% and acting fastest. Too fast for us.